Okay, so from this we have we know it's horizontal. We know the vertex is 0, 4. Our directrix or focus was 6, 4. The directrix was the line x equals -6. It opens right. Axis of symmetry. Is that the only thing I'm missing here? Vertex, axis of symmetry, directrix, horizontal, vertical, focus, opens right, and then we're going to graph. So axis of symmetry, that's from before. And you should have that in your notes, I think. When it opens to the right, or if it's horizontal, your axis of symmetry is y equals whatever the y coordinate of your vertex is. So that would be 4. Okay, so now we're going to graph. Actually, before we graph, we're going to find another point to help us with our graphing. So what did I suggest that you do in order to find another point? Plug in 0 for what? Whatever the first variable is, whatever is being squared. So I recommend plugging 0 in this case for y. So we're going to let y equal 0. Whoops, yeah, 0 minus 4 squared equals 24x, bless you. -4 squared is 16, so 16 equals 24x. We get what as x? Both divisible by 8, 2/3, yeah, 2/3. So this is the point 2/3, 0. Now let's graph. Because that's going to give us another point to graph. You'll have graph paper to use on your assignment. So I think it's going to be more up like this, right? I think. Okay, so we're going to graph. Our vertex we need to graph, and that's at 0, 4. So let's put a point there. I'm doing an X because you can't hardly see the dot on mine. So there's the vertex. Our axis of symmetry is y equals 4. So I'm going to do a dashed line at that, going through that axis. Okay. The focus is at 6, 4. So we are going to, I got to go 2 more out here, 6, 4. So that's a point. That's my focus. So I want you to draw a dot, and let's put F for focus. And then we have to draw our directrix, which is at -6. And let's make that a solid line. And that's supposed to be at -6, sorry. And let's see, we've got vertex plotted, focus plotted, directrix plotted, axis of symmetry. It needs to open right. We're going to use the point 2/3, 0 as our other point. So that's about right there. So I'm going to flip that point over my dashed line, my dashed axis of symmetry, to get the second point for my graph. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a point at about there. and I can plot the parabola. It's a super wide parabola.
What is the